Today is day 6 of the challenge, and we're diving into full-stack web development. Picture this. You've been tirelessly working on your website, coding away on your computer, bringing your vision to life. But now, it's time to take it to the next level. Imagine the thrill as your website is launched into the digital stratosphere, uploaded to cloud platforms like AWS, Heroku, or Docker. With a click of a button, your creation is catapulted into the vast expanse of the internet, ready to be explored by people from all corners of the globe. These deployment services are your launchpads, your gateway to a global audience. Don't let your masterpiece remain hidden in the shadows of your computer screen. Share it with the world. Let your creativity shine bright for all to see. So, let's make it happen. Let's turn your website dream into a reality. Click the link in the bio to discover more about Intern Forward's internship program and unlock the power of deployment. Your website is a masterpiece waiting to be unveiled to the world. Get ready to witness the magic of deployment services as they transform your website into a digital marvel accessible to everyone. The world is waiting to experience your creation. Let's make it happen together.